Welcome back to our woodworking channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of CNC woodworking and explore the benefits it offers to woodworkers like you. So, let's get started. Precision and accuracy. CNC machines excel at delivering precise and accurate results consistently. They follow programmed instructions with high precision, ensuring that measurements, cuts, and carving details are executed flawlessly. This level of accuracy is often difficult to achieve manually, leading to superior craftsmanship and a higher quality finished product. Efficiency and productivity. CNC woodworking machines are designed to operate at high speeds and with minimal downtime. They can perform tasks quickly and efficiently, allowing for faster completion of woodworking projects. Additionally, CNC machines can run continuously, minimizing the need for manual intervention and enabling woodworkers to work on other aspects of the project simultaneously. Repetition and consistency. CNC woodworking is ideal for producing multiple identical or symmetrical pieces. Once a design is programmed, CNC machines can reproduce it repeatedly with utmost consistency. This is particularly advantageous for manufacturing furniture, cabinetry, or any woodworking projects requiring uniformity across multiple pieces. Complex and intricate designs. CNC machines enable woodworkers to create intricate and complex designs that may be challenging or time-consuming to achieve manually. The machines can execute intricate cuts, carvings, and engravings with exceptional precision, allowing for intricate patterns, detailed decorations, and custom designs that add artistic flair to woodworking projects. Material optimization. CNC woodworking software optimizes the use of materials by generating efficient cutting paths and layouts. This helps reduce waste and maximize the utilization of the wood stock, ultimately saving costs. CNC machines can also work with a variety of materials, including solid wood, plywood, MDF, and even composites, expanding the range of possibilities for woodworking projects. Workflow and design flexibility. CNC machines integrate with computer-aided design (CAD) software, enabling woodworkers to translate their design ideas directly into the machine's programming. This streamlines the workflow, eliminates manual pattern making or template creation, and facilitates design iterations. Woodworkers can experiment with different shapes, sizes, and detailing before committing to the final product. Safety and ergonomics. CNC woodworking reduces the need for extensive manual labor and repetitive tasks, reducing the risk of fatigue-related injuries. The automation provided by CNC machines allows woodworkers to focus on supervising the operation, ensuring safety measures are in place, and performing more intricate tasks that require human expertise. It's worth noting that while CNC woodworking offers numerous benefits, it does require initial investment in the CNC machine itself, as well as the training and familiarity with the software and operation. However, for woodworking professionals and businesses, the advantages of CNC woodworking often outweigh the initial costs, leading to improved efficiency, precision, and expanded creative possibilities. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting woodworking content. Happy woodworking!